Hi, welcome to Walton Vale Community Shop. I'm Helen, and today I'd like to talk to you about family food cooking. Stay tuned and I'll bring you a recipe. Today's recipe is chicken nuggets and wedges. The ingredients are about a pound of chicken fillets or 500 grams, 125 grams or 4 ounces of cornflakes, 3 tablespoons of plain flour, 2 medium eggs, some smoked paprika and garlic powder. And for the wedges, it's potatoes, salt and oil. We start by taking the cornflakes and backing them with a rolling pin. Back them until they're a breadcrumb texture. Empty that into your bowl. You want to take an egg, and beat the eggs. To the flour, add some pepper and salt. And to the cornflakes, add some smoked paprika and garlic powder to the taste. If you don't have smoked paprika or garlic powder, you can use mixed herbs or Parmesan cheese. Chop the chicken into bite-sized pieces. Just make sure they're cut evenly. Take the chicken pieces and roll in the flour. Then roll in the egg. Then roll in the cornflake mix. Place on a baking tray. This is a great way to get the children involved in cooking. To make the wedges, don't peel the potatoes, just slice them into chunks. Place on a baking tray. Pour a little bit of oil over them and salt. Give them a good mix round and lay them out. Bake in the oven for 20 minutes at 200 degrees C or gas mark 6. One of the other things that I've done with these is cook them in the air fryer. They're fantastic, so you don't have to heat the whole oven up. They take about 12 minutes at about 200. This is also a great way of cooking 2 dishes at once.